Hi there, this is Angela again doing another average one. As you notice, this is a non-calculator one. So we've got 6 games. These were the goals that were played in or scored in each of the games. So they're asking for the median. So this time we need to make sure we put these in order to be able to find the median, which is the middle number. So here we go. So I've got a 0, cross that out. Then I've got 2 2s next. Then I've got 3. Then I've got a 5, and then I've finally got a 6. I check, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So now I need to find the middle number. So I'll cross out first and last, first and last. Oops, I got 2 in the middle. So I go halfway between these two. So halfway between these two is 2.5 or 2.5. Great. Now we've got to work out the mean. So the mean is where I need to add up all of my numbers. So 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6, which gives me 18. This is non-calculator. And then I'm going to divide by how many numbers there are, which is 6, which gives me a mean of 3. If you notice, these two numbers here are between my smallest number and my highest number. Your mean, any of your averages, should be between those two numbers. If not, you've done something wrong. Okay, this makes it a little bit more difficult. It says the football team play one more game. So up until now, they've played 6 games, so now they're going to play 7 games. Okay, so I know the scores up to now have been 0, 2, 2, 3, 5 and 6. And now there's a mystery game. Okay, in other words, we don't know how many goals there were scored on that game. I do know if I add all these up and divide by 7, I get 4. In other words, if I add all of these numbers up first, I will get, and I divide by 7, I will get a mean of 4, because they're telling me the mean is 4. So I need to know what this extra one here is. So the way to find the total that these add up to, I need to take my mean and multiply it by how many numbers or how many games. Okay, so I know my mean is 4. If I times it by 7 games, it means that I get a total of 28. So when I add all the goals up for the 7 games, I get 28. So I know from before that when I add these numbers here up, I get 18. Yeah? So I know that those first 6 numbers there add up to 18 because I did it up here. And then I need to add something else to give me 28. Well, it must be 10. Because 10 add 18 gives me 28. So the last game had goals of 10. Hopefully that's helpful. See you later. Bye.